Got the rail mostly out. Just fell loose. Pain in the ass is what it is.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
This is a Mercedes Sprinter van. It's getting both frame rails. Well, I just realized there's some more welds. Well, I got the rail mostly out. Just fell loose. Pain in the ass is what it is. So once I was able to see up inside of there, I want to make sure I didn't cut any of the inner stuff that I'm not replacing. But once I was able to see in there, I made a rough cut and got the bulk of that frame rail out. Now I'm trimming out the rest of this back section now that I can see what's going on. One frame rail cut out, one more to go. This one hopefully will go a little smoother now that I know where all the little hidden welds and lapped panels and everything are. So I'm gonna start cutting on this one now. So I've had a lot of people ask me what kind of drill bits I use. I just use these generic DeWalt drill bits. I do drill an 1/8 inch hole where each of the welds are, and then these bits fly straight through them. right, I'm gonna put a little downward pressure on this rail and see if I can get it to pop loose. It's getting there. I still have something holding it somewhere in here. I had made a rough cut in order to take the bulk of it off. I'll still have to trim out the back, but that's a wrap for the day. I will be back on this tomorrow.